Well, that's it. The big wrap-up, the happy ending, the grand finale.
It's over already?
Well, but that's the thing about it. It comes again. Let me watch it again. We just saw it.
Hey, what are you guys doing? You didn't tell me you were watching the movie. I want to watch it too.
Ma!
Uncle Max, we're gonna watch the movie.
Oh, no.
Hey, I brought extra butter.
Hey, you guys are watching the movie?
Any story worth telling is worth telling twice.
What the?
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Get out of the way.
Who is this crowd? Hey, down in front.
Go
Watch it. Oh. Ow. Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.
Timon, I still don't do so well in crowds.
Dad, put Mum on a phone.
You know, it's a great artist.
Excuse me, sir?
Come on, Dad, let's go.
What?
You can wait. A lot of people work really hard in this film, and all they ask is for you to memorize.
Assistant manager isn't all it's cracked up to be.
Well, I want to make sure no animals were harmed during the filming of this movie.
4 years of film school
Okay.
for this?
Woo! Floor popcorn.
Wait. It looks like Maggie has something to say.
Oh my God, her first word.
Sequel?